So you know so few words, they're on infinite repeat, like your brain can't keep up with your beat, and you're kept in an open cage. So you're free to leave or stay, and sometimes this makes you confused, but there's no hint that I'm trying to give you. The longer you think, the less you will want to do. It's hard to see your way out when you live in a house, you don't realize that the windows were open the whole time. And oh, my talking bird, though your feathers are tattered and furled, I'll love you all your days, till the breath leaves your fragile frame. It's all here for you, as long as you choose to stay. It's all here for you, as long as you don't fly away.